And I just came out here. I was coming no matter what. So we just got this car haggled together and put her together just to make it runnable so I can go dune this weekend. So we're gonna go out and dune and have some fun and go rip, you know, LaRue. We got LaRue out here, Michael Siemens out here, a couple of these other cars here that got a little bit of power to them. So we're gonna just try to throw down some wheelies and see how, you know, if we can get these to stand up or not. So biggest wheelie. We got Michael trying to do it, Matt LaRue trying to do it, Trevor, a few other people. Ren's trying to do it. Try to show you a couple of the best ones that everybody did.
Excuse me guys, I gotta get this thing going here.
Sorry. Show us how it's done. Okay.
You're gonna wheelie.
Okay.
You're gonna come up.
Now start running.
Fast.
Now hit the bottom of the belly pan.
Get that G out to work
Float
with
it.
you.
Hit it.
You fucking stand it up and look at the sky. That could have been an accident.
Get that?
He said he was gonna egg him on a little bit. He's gonna get around.
Oh,
He's
yeah,
gonna jump and land in a wheelie.
Dude, he's nuts. The guy's nuts.
These guys mashing on it if it gets away from them.
I love standing these cars up, so it was a good time. I even, Josh here, he's got this brand new Pro EFI built UTV upfit. It's a UTV upfit, and he had Pro EFI do a full build on it. This thing is quick. He just barely got it, so she's not even broke in, but you know, he told me just to see if I could wheelie it. I threw down a decent wheelie, and then the back end started rocking, which mine starts rocking too around that angle, but I feel comfortable in my car. I wasn't going to do that to his expensive car. I didn't want to wreck his car, so I just got it to stand up a little bit to see if it would run good, see how it ran, and see if I could stand it up a little bit. I know if I really wanted to lay into it, we could have got her to stand up more, but not my car. So I don't mind driving other people's cars, but I'm usually going to drive them about 70%. I don't want to wreck someone else's stuff.
Open down right here.